So here is how the shorts look. Yep, this is how it looks. Let me know what you feel. Okay, so you see there's space, there's freedom. Just follow the right steps and then you'll be able to recreate something this stitch. Let me know in the comments below if you did like this, and if you want to recreate yours as well, please do keep on watching and let's dive right into this video. Welcome guys, thank you so much for watching the pattern tutorial of this video. For you to be right here to see how this pant was cut on fabric, was sewn up, the kind of fabric I used, and the kind of fabric that is recommended to be used, you definitely must have watched the pattern of how this flared pant short was cut. If you have not, the link to that video is right here, and you can also check the description box for the link. All materials, tools, and equipment that I use are also in my Amazon storefront. You can click that link, and I'm going to be earning little commission when you place an order using my Amazon storefront link. So I'd highly appreciate it if you place orders using my Amazon storefront link. Okay, that being said, I've come here to see how this pattern will be cut on fabric. The fabric I'll be using for this creation is this satin-like fabric. Fabrics that are recommended for you to use, you can use Duchess satin. You can also use there's this very nice fabric that is used now for boo-boos that has some kind of volume and structure. That is very recommended. It's going to make it stand, the flare will stand and look very regal. But this is what we're going to be using today. So what we're going to do first of all is fold this up so that we can cut it out. So this is what we'll be having. I'm going to also separate the crotch here. For my short pattern, for this short pattern, there's already zipper allowance attached on it because of, remember that we extended the back. I'm also going to be notching this part because I'll sew that part as like I'll put it this way so that it gives it the key split effect. If we have spread this thing much more, we would have been able to have a bigger key split effect, but this is nice already. Very good. So we'll also put our pleating effect there. If you do not care about it, it's fine. Just make it straight because it's going to be so full this way, right? Okay, So this is what we have for the front and the back. For the band, you can just cut a rectangular band. Let's start joining up the pieces. First thing is to insert the zip. I'm using an invisible zipper. So I will use my invisible zipper to measure how much, where the zip will get to, and then sew close from this point. I'll just sew it close. I'm using 1 inch for the sewing. The next thing we're going to do is insert the zip. I'll open it up. So the next thing we do is change the zipper foots. So let's start sewing it up. So this is what we have now. I'll quickly iron this, let it relax, then we continue joining up all the pieces. The next thing we're going to do is join up the crotch and the inseam. We'll sew that too. And then once we sew, we iron it as well. I will use just 1/2 inch for the sewing allowance. Very nice. So we can join the inseam here. That's the front and back inseam. Placing it on each other this way. Join the front to the back and then join the sides as well. Okay? So let's do that real quick. Pin so that the lines really match up and it looks so neat and properly sewn. We're almost done. So the crotch is done. You can see how it aligns like this line. You need the line to be this way at the crotch. Okay? Align it properly and then we join the sides up. Very, very good. So we will start sewing this up. Very, very good. So I will iron properly and then we will close this up nicely. Alright, so we have gone ahead to iron the band in place. You can see the inside of this short looking so good. We're going to sew neatly on the right side so that it is in the ditch, stitch in the ditch, okay? That's what we want to do now. So let's feed it into the sewing machine and sew this up. So this is how the interior looks like. Very neat on the inside as well. So we'll iron this up. But before then, let's quickly do the hem. So we're going to do a rolled hem for this. Tiny. Once iron, then do it a second time to secure. This is what the final result of this pant is. Okay. Yeah,